another sticker haul. I actually have two of them. This one is from DEK Designs / Plan2BeFab. I love this little Happy Mail. So cute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. When you order it, you get a cute little tiny bow. Let me get it off so I can show you. And I love to use these little bows in my Hobonichi because it's like the perfect little size. And then you also get, if you mention my name in the notes to seller and or use my code, you get a foiled freebie. And if you collect 3 different backgrounds, 3 different color backgrounds of the same month, you get shop credit. So just let us know if you do. So there's that. And then this was another freebie I got, foiled. Habit tracker and lawnmower. It's just so cute. And then I ordered the batteries, and it's like whether you were drained, running low, or fully charged. And I ordered those in the rose gold. I thought those were cute. And I got the honey. It was a free kit. It was 5 sheets with gold foil with a $15 minimum purchase. So, like, I spent money on these and got this for free. And here's the kit. Now tell me this ain't gorgeous. Look at this. Is that not pretty? With the full 2 boxes and then all the full boxes. And then your bow quarter boxes. And they are foiled as well. And then your foiled quarter, half, appointment, habit trackers, sidebar, and dots. Your bow checklists that are ombre, your half and your whole, and then your bow flags, checklist, and corner flags with bows. Your day covers, and then the bottom washi, and look, the washi has gold butterflies. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty, so bright. And then your large flags, your glitter headers with the gold foil on them, your heart functionals, and then some more deco functionals with your movie marquee, your planner, table, laundry, balloons, bed, wine, tissue, and Happy Meal. And this kit is called Honey. So beautiful. Then I ordered the pain trackers. I use these in my Hobonichi because it's my wellness planner. So I ordered 2 of those. Oop, there's the other one. And then I ordered these trackers, and it has the high, the low, today I feel, steps, and weight on there. I thought that was cool. Very, very cool. I ordered the gold trackers, again, for my Hobonichi. Workout, flags. Not today, Satan. Another thing of pain levels, just a different version. One I'll use in my Hobonichi and one I'll use in my other planner. And then the penguins, they're motivational penguins, and it says, love yourself, no excuses, rest day, feed the burn, reward, record, no workout, love yourself. Isn't that cute? I got 2 of those. Put those right there. And then that one went there. I had an extra one of those. All right, so that's what I got in that order. And then in this order, I got this cute little bow. Here is another June. And see, this is the difference. So I only have to get 1 more. That's beautiful. Love those. And this one was from Plan2BeFab. This is the daughter company. These are mother-daughter companies. So the first thing I got was Spa Photography Kit. And here are your full boxes with your heart check flags. Scallop heart. Then here are your quarter boxes and half boxes. Plan next week, canceled, not today. Bill due and habit trackers. And again, some more heart scallop. Your full heart check boxes, your weekend banner, and then this one says DEK Designs Planner Pretties. And then your day covers, your sidebar, arrow, appointments, your bottom washi, flags, and then some functional deco. And then 3 hearts over here on the side as well. And then here are your headers, what to do today, this and that, and then the rest sidebar. Your water trackers, your food trackers, your asterisks. And then your glitter headers with functional deco, groceries plan, family time, or family, laundry, errand, and meal plan. Is that not the coolest? That is so pretty. And that was Spa Photography. So I will put that one down for you. This next one is Look at the Stars. This one actually was the Freebie Friday. It was Wish Upon a Star. It was 6 sheets and it was free with a $15 minimum purchase. So I purchased the stuff like this kit and one other kit, I believe, and got this one for free. So, and it is done in the silver foil. Look at those full boxes. Are they not beautiful? And your quarter boxes. Your quarter, half, sidebar and habit, an appointment, and deco dots. Your days of the week, and your bottom washi, and I love it. I love that it has the stars on it, and then your washi strips. Your full heart check boxes, or your full bow check boxes in half, your bow check flags, corner flags, and bows. Your foiled headers with to do today and littles. Your food trackers and asterisks. And then your large flags, your foiled glitter headers, your heart functionals, and other deco functional. And that one was Wish Upon a Star. And then this last one was Summer Barbecue. It was a white space kit, 4 sheets for the Erin Condren. And I got no foil, but I got the light skin tone. So here are your full boxes, and your double box, and quarter boxes. More quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, appointment boxes, and deco dots. Your full bow check boxes and 3 bow check flags with the corner flags and bows. And then your day covers with your bottom washi and washi strips and Boo Bear. Precious. I love this kit. Makes me want to have summer all ready. All right, guys, that's what I got from DEK Designs / Plan2BeFab. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Check that bell so that you know when I have all these hauls coming up in my Plan With Me's. And add yourself to PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram. And I hope to catch you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.